Thanksgiving, a cherished holiday celebrated across the United States, is a time for gratitude, family, and delicious food. But what do we really know about its origins? Our story begins in 1621, when the Pilgrims, who had settled in Plymouth, Massachusetts, celebrated their first successful harvest. They invited the Wampanoag tribe to join them in a feast that lasted 3 days. This gathering marked a moment of cooperation and gratitude. Over the centuries, Thanksgiving has evolved into a national holiday. In 1863, President Abraham Lincoln proclaimed it as a day of thanksgiving and praise to our beneficent Father who dwelleth in the heavens, encouraging unity during the Civil War. Today, Thanksgiving is celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November. Families gather to enjoy a feast that often includes turkey, stuffing, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie, a true reflection of autumn's bounty. But Thanksgiving is more than just a meal. It's a time for reflection and gratitude. Many people take a moment to express what they are thankful for, whether it's family, friends, or good health. In the spirit of giving back, many also engage in acts of kindness by volunteering or donating to those in need. It's a reminder that gratitude can be shared in many ways. So this Thanksgiving, as you gather around the table with loved ones, remember the history behind this beloved holiday and cherish the moments that bring us together.